Yeah, Daddy. Daddy. Walking again. Ah, Daddy. Did you hear Dada? Where's Dada?
Oh, hey, buddy. Hi. Oh, hi. That was my little man.
Are you happy to see Dada? Are you happy? Yeah.
Say hi. Hey. You turn. You turn. Come here. Hey. Oh, good boy.
What did she say? My mom's what?
What's that you have?
I can't find a mom.
What is it?
Daddy! Hi! Daddy! Hi, Shoulders! How are you? Yeah?
It's up.
Who is that?
Who's that guy? Who's that guy? Where's my little guy? Oh, come here, buddy. Come here, you. Come here. Come to Dada. Are you going on a spending spree? What are you doing? You buying that cool stuff? Don't you eat that one. Give me those. Give me those. Thank you. Share. Share. Big boy. Okay, you come here. Big guy. Hey!
Daddy!
Hey, buddy.
Daddy!
Hey, Dad.
Come here! Come here!
Oh, yes. Hi. Hi. Oh, yes. Hi. See, Mom? Oh. Yay.
Yep, come on in. Who's here, Cam?
Hi, sweetie.
Daddy's home after 9 days.
Hey, buddy. Oh.
Who's here, bud?
Oh, boy. And you. Hi. Hi.
Who's here? Who's here? Who's out there? Who's out there, Jack? Look. Who's here? I see him. I see him.
Oh, buddy.
Jack, who's here, buddy?
Daddy missed you so much, bundle.
You got big hugs for Daddy? He's patting your back. Is Daddy here?
much.
Jack, who is that? Who is that?
You say daddy?
You.
Is that daddy? Is he home?
Missed you enough. You're such a good baby.
Oh.
Come here. Oh, I missed you too. I missed you too. I know, you missed me a lot, and I missed you a lot. These are great hugs. Oh, May, May, May. Hi.
Daddy, you come back.
I did come back.
Yeah.
Give me a great big hug.
Daddy's crying for you.
What?
Daddy's crying for you.
Haley was crying for me?
Yeah.
Knock, knock. Who is that? That Dada? Matthew, who is that? Is that Dada?
Hello?
She's really sitting up and kind of moving very older-like.
Yeah, like a real baby. Like a real baby. You making faces at Daddy? There's Daddy.
Hey.
New sound, please. Why can't you laugh? Laugh, Harper, laugh.
Nothing's funny going on. That's new, by the way. She
Yeah.
did this morning and she made some sounds too.
That rah, rah, rah.
Pop, pop, pop.
Here's a video when Daddy gets home. She's excited to see him. Giselle, is that Daddy? Let's see. There's Daddy coming home after a day at work. You matched the trees.
Hi. Hi, sweetie. Hi, Topes. What's up, bud?
Giselle, is Daddy home? Ew, it's yuckies, yuckies. Giselle.
Happy to see you too.
Oh, she's distracted by the dog now. But that's her darling. Excited to see her daddy. Yay! All right. Bye-bye.